हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल शॉर्ट एंड क्लासेस विद रेनू। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम कैलाश चंद्रा का वॉल्यूम 24 और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर बैक ऑफ 516 करेंगे। स्टार्ट। द मेन रीजन पुट फॉरवर्ड by the Honorable Minister is that investment should be used in productive schemes and not for giving doles. That was one of his arguments. He said that because of the resource position, the government could not utilize their limited resources for unemployment allowance because the implications would be too large. Large amounts of money will be needed for such a scheme. He also said in his characteristic fashion that if unemployment allowance is given, it will add to the inflationary pressure. I fail to understand his logic because unemployment allowance can add to inflationary pressure only in a situation where such resources have been created by deficit financing or in a situation where unemployment allowance is given without commensurate development activity. It is true that in a period of inflation, in a period of economic stagnation as we are having today, any disbursement of money from deficit financing will add to inflation. The mover of the motion or anybody else did not demand such an allowance to be distributed. We demand that while the economic crisis should be solved by changing the economic policies of the government is duty bound to give unemployment allowance in case of government fails to provide gainful employment to the people, particularly the working people. The Honorable Minister spent a lot of time in enumerating the steps that government have taken. For example, the Bhagwati Committee interim report was submitted earlier, an interministerial group report was submitted, and the final report was submitted in May 1993. Then another interministerial group was formed by the Planning Commission. They deliberated and submitted a report after a number of years. Interim reports, final reports, interministerial groups report and reports galore, but no action. Why is that despite the Dantwala committee's recommendations, concrete figures have not been collected regarding unemployment? Because the government knows that if the practice of making estimate of our unemployment, which was there till the end of the third plan, was continued, people would rise in revolt because this government is incapable of providing gainful employment. Plan after plan, year after year, the additional labor force coming to the labor market has been much larger than the additional employment generated by all the crash programs and special programs taken together. Let the minister have the courage to contradict me. Is the minister prepared to assert that the new jobs created every year are equal to or more than the additional labor force. He would not be able to say that.